Hello, teacher. How things work? Tania Pamela Zoom. A few days ago, I bought a computer in an electrical appliance store called Electrolux. A month later, we entered on the computer to carry out my activities. This appliance go down. We were looking for an system engineer to repair the computer for us, but it was impossible since I could not repair it and he told us to take into the company where it was purchased. We immediately contacted the warehouse where we bought the appliance and asked that they do a revision. 8:18 after the technician checked the computer, he told us that it had a bug, and they decided to give us a new computer. We would go ahead with plugin and turn on the computer and log in. After several days, the computer worked correctly and I am very happy because that was I was able to fulfill my daily tasks. Thank you.